Hi aspirants, welcome to your single minute channel. Before moving to next slide, we are going to see the simple intro about this session. Totally, we are going to learn 23 important days and their related infos. Okay, let's get into our session. Static GK Day 7 Important Days April month. April 1 What day? Odisha Day. Info also called Utkala Divasa. April 2 What day? Autism Awareness Day. Info to create awareness among people. April 3 Aquatic Life. Info create awareness among people about aquatic animals. April 4 International Day for Mine Awareness. Related info on 8th December 2005 UNGA declared April 4 will be observed as Mine Awareness Day every year. April 5 National Maritime Day. Related info on 2021 58th National Maritime Day celebrated by Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. April 7 World Health Day. Related info in 2021 theme was Let's build a fairer, healthier world for everyone. April 10 World Homeopathy Day. Info to create the significance of homeopathy. April 11 National Safe Motherhood Day. Info to reduce maternal mortality. April 11 National Pet Day. Since 2006, this day was celebrated. April 17 World Hemophilia Day. Info International Awareness Day. April 18 World Heritage Day. Info also called International Monuments and Sites Day. April 19 World Liver Day. Info to create awareness about liver related diseases. Just a recap of first part of important days what we had learned till now. April 1st Odisha Day. April 2nd Autism Awareness Day. April 3rd Aquatic Life. April 4 International Day for Mine Awareness. April 5 National Maritime Day. April 7 World Health Day. April 10 World Homeopathy Day. April 11 National Safe Motherhood Day and National Pet Day. April 17 World Hemophilia Day. April 18 World Heritage Day. April 19 World Liver Day. Next, April 21st What Day? Secretary's Day, also called Administrative Professional Day. Next, April 21st Civil Service Day. Info Day celebrated to rededicate civil servants themselves to the cause of citizen and renew their commitments. April 22nd World Earth Day. Info to support for international environmental protection. April 23rd World Book and Copyright Day. Info to encourage young people to read and know the pleasure of reading books. April 24th National Panchayat Day. 73rd Amendment Act 1992 that was came into force. April 25th World Malaria Day, to reduce or control deadly disease spreaded by female Anopheles mosquito. April 26 World Intellectual Property Day. Info to create awareness among people how the patent and other like copyright, trademark impacts life. April 28 World Day for Safety and Health at Work. Info international awareness to create about health and safety among people. April 28 again World Veterinary Day. Info to celebrate veterinary profession. April 29 International Dance Day. info to create or encourage awareness among people about dance. April 30, Ayushman Bharat Divas, info to support for medical needs who are not afford. Now just recap of last a second part what we had learned for important days for competitive exams in April month from April 21st to April 30. April 21st Secretary's Day and Civil Service Day. April 22nd World Earth Day. April 23rd World Book and Copyright Day. April 24th National Panchayat Day. April 25th World Malaria Day. April 26th World Intellectual Property Day. April 28th World Day for Safety and Health at Work. April 28 again World Veterinary Day. April 29 International Dance Day. April 30 Ayushman Bharat Divas. Now we learn totally 23 important days and their infos. It's time to practice. How? There are 3 ways. Just click the link in the description. I repeat, just click the link in the description. Or type usesingleminute.blogspot.com followed by click practice at 7 or type https://bit.ly/usesingleminute.ps07. Alright friends, let's do the practice what we learn. For instance, I do my practice. Please do subscribe the channel for further updates or notification related to static GK. Thank you.